University of Amherst Commonwealth Honors College Complex project is a fairly unique project in the sense of the number of buildings coming up all at the same time, the schedule, and the way this job has to be driven. We feel that Coghlin specifically is very well positioned for this project.
In order to build a job like this, you need a lot of expertise. You have to have strong estimating capabilities, to have a detailed estimate to know what you're actually going to build, because we had to hit the ground running. There's not a lot of time to lay this project out. You have to have strong coordination capabilities, because I had 7 buildings that all had to be coordinated at once. So not only did you need the BIM capabilities to do it, but you needed the quantity of people who could actually get in there and coordinate all 7 buildings in a very fast track time frame.
We take what we had done at estimate time, which was a fully detailed, comprehensive estimate down to the nuts and bolts of this particular project. We take that, we back that into our BIM software, and our CAD guys do just a great job of taking that estimate and bringing that to fruition. And we sit down with the entire project team, we scrub the drawings and come up with, okay, what is the best way, what is the most stuff we can get prefab.
After the download up at the shop, the foreman and I come down to the warehouse here, we set up the prints, we look and see what we can prefab, what's going to work, what won't work, what parts we can use, and then we can get started on the prefab operation.
Some of the benefits to working with prefab is the safety. You're working in controlled environments. We have temperature control, we have equipment that is dedicated directly for the purpose of prefab. We're working on bench tops. We're not working over our heads. We can control our cleanup, we can control all trash and equipment being used for the job sites. Everything's handled one time and shipped directly for installation.
Our prefab materials arrive on site and they then get unloaded on site with a lull truck. They get boomed right up to the floor that we're going to be using them on, and they get dispersed on that floor. The prefab jobs allow me to be more efficient and save time. We can begin our rough process before the studs are even up.
Coghlin is well positioned to do all the prefabrication on this project because of the time we spend up front looking through the drawings, finding out what was typical and what wasn't typical. We were able to ascertain there was 1,500 rooms that we're able to do prefab in. We took a lot of time to lay them out in the fields, back at the shop.
As a result of our prefab, I see our numbers going from 150, which originally was supposed to be on this project, down to 70 guys on this project. That's a significant savings for us, general contractor, cleaner job, safer job.
Construction today is about really 2 things. It's about the quality of design on the drawings we see and how fast the jobs have to be built. But the benefit of working with Coghlin is that we have a strong engineering group. If the drawings aren't complete, we can actually take on that load, help the engineer and get that done so we can get out in front of the project and drive it forward. Schedules are extremely fast today. Time is money and owners want buildings built as fast as they can get them up. We have the ability and the skill set not only to engineer and get them ready to go, but then the skilled people to actually build it once it gets out to them.